Brandenburg and Nelbov, they have added the ValueNet to the existing or with the modification to the Porter's 5 force framework. The Porter's 5 force framework was like bargaining power of buyers, bargaining power of suppliers, and threat of new entrant, threat of substitute, along with industry competitors or rivalry among the existing players. Okay, so in this in the ValueNet that has been proposed, it is the extension of the Porter's 5 force framework with the addition of something, and they what are these elements over there, we'll see one by one. Like here in the place of the suppliers, the supplier name is remain as it is in the ValueNet, but in the case of the bargaining power of buyers, they have put customers over there, and instead of just the influence from one side, it is from the two side, means so this is one factor. And then after another factor in the 5 force from the 5 force framework, the rivalry, threat of new entrants, substitute products, or threat of substitute products. So this all these things, threat, two threats and rivalry, that one is being combined with a single entity that is called the competitor. So customers, the buyer, suppliers, then after the threat of new entrant, threat of substitute, and rivalry among the existing player, they all combine that one as a competitor. Okay, and company is having the relationship with all these entities. Along with that one, they have another another component over here, that is called as the complementers. So complementers, like if you are combining with somebody, at that point of time, that particular your value is being increasing. Okay, and complementer can be with it is a the combination of your cooperation with the customers, with the customers and with the suppliers. Complementer can be act as a, and also with in combination with the competitors. So complementer can be for the creating, as well as a company has both the eyes, that is creating and capturing, or it is a combination of competition and cooperation. So that is the that is what Brandenburg or Nelbov has told in this ValueNet. And complementer, like instead of making somebody as your competitor, if you are collaborating with that particular competitor or another players, okay, instead of considering them as a threat, if you are combining them, and if you are making them, like Microsoft has combined with your Intel. Microsoft produces develops different type of softwares, and to complement that one, Intel is getting combined with them. Okay, so that is also a suitable example of complementers. Okay, so instead of earlier in the Porter's 5 force framework, like it is a cutthroat competition, like a red ocean strategy type of thing, like your loss is my win, just like in the chess game or somewhere, or other traditional games, there is a winner and there is a loser over there. But in ValueNet has proposed like a, in just like in the game theory, there is a that a situation can also arise which can be a win-win situation for both the people. Okay. So this is ValueNet about the as created by Brandenburg and Nelbov, and it is the motivation from the Porter's 5 force framework, and after that they have named it as a ValueNet. Okay, so ValueNet, it is a there they have introduced this 6th player over there as the complementers. Earlier it was all the 5 forces were there, and then they have added this one. So ValueNet that represents a map of the competitive game, the players in the game, and the relationship to each other. That is the value net, and later on that one has been added over here, like the all the 5 forces: suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, suppliers, threat of new entrant, threat of substitute, as well as complementers, and rivalry. So all these 3 things they have combined to make it as a competitor over here. Okay, and buyers and supplier, that remains the same over here buyer, over here suppliers, and along with that one a 6th force, that is the complementer. Okay, so based upon that one they have Brandenburg or Nelbach, they call that one as a extension of this one is of this value net is cooptation. Okay, it is the in 1997 they have introduced this cooperation. It is a combination of competition as well as cooperation with your supplier, with your customers, and competition in combination with some of the existing player, so that they can compete in a better way, and it will be creating as well as it supports both the creating and capturing. Your company has to keep its eye on both balls, that is creating and capturing. So this is called the coopetition. So we discussed about value net, how it has been an extension of Porter's 5 force framework. Thank you.